Is your favorite houseplant looking a little droopy? Crispy leaves? Yellow tips? Don't worry, it's not your fault. Summer heat can stress out even indoor plants. Hey everyone, welcome back to A-ZFloraJourney, your go-to channel for mastering houseplant care from beginners to botany nerds. Today, we're diving into how to protect your houseplants from heat stress this summer and what to do if it's already happened. What is heat stress and why it matters most? Houseplants like pothos, calatheas, or ferns are happiest between 18–27 degrees Celsius. Once temps hit 30 degrees Celsius or more, you're entering the danger zone. Unlike outdoor plants, indoor ones deal with poor airflow, dry air from AC, and hot windowsills, which makes heat stress more intense. So how do you know if your plant's suffering? Look for wilting, leaf curling, crispy edges, yellowing, and sudden leaf drop. Let's break down what you can do. Tip 1. Move them out of the heat. Start with location. That sunny windowsill your plant loved in winter? Now it's a microwave. Move delicate plants out of direct light or filter it with a sheer curtain. Do summer shuffle. Put your cacti and succulents in the sun and shade lovers like calatheas or ferns in cooler spots. Also, never place plants near appliances that radiate heat like fridges or microwaves. Tip 2. Water smarter, not harder. Your plants are thirstier in summer, but overwatering can kill them just as fast. Check the soil first, stick your finger in. If the top 1–2 inches are dry, it's time to water. Water deeply and early. Morning is best. Avoid watering during peak heat. Try bottom watering or soaking for 15 minutes. Let plants drain completely afterward. No cold water. Always use room temp. Tip 3. Boost humidity. They're thirsty in the air too. Heat plus air conditioning equals desert air inside your home. Tropical plants hate it. Group plants to share humidity. Use pebble trays, or even better, a cool mist humidifier. Misting can help too, but only in the morning and never on fuzzy leaves like African violets. Pro tip: put bowls of water near your plants, or place them in a humid bathroom near a window. Tip 4. Airflow without dry-out fans can keep rooms cool, but a direct blast of air dries out your plant's soil and leaves. Angle fans across the room, not at your plant. Good air circulation helps prevent mold and pests too. Avoid stagnant corners or placing plants near vents. Tip 5. Hold off on fertilizer. You might think your plant needs a boost, but don't fertilize during heat waves. Hot temps slow photosynthesis. Adding fertilizer now is like feeding a sick person a steak dinner. Fertilize in late spring or early fall, not when temps are above 29 degrees Celsius. Always dilute and apply to moist soil. Dry soil plus fertilizer equals root burn. Tip 6. Mulch and moisture retention. Mulch isn't just for gardens. A layer of coconut coir, gravel, or leca helps keep soil moist longer and insulates the roots. It also keeps your soil from drying out too fast and lowers the surface temperature of the pot. Tip 7. Inspect for pests. They love heat. Warm, dry conditions are a paradise for spider mites, mealybugs, and fungus gnats. Check leaves and stems regularly, especially underneath. Wipe leaves weekly with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Yellow sticky traps also help monitor infestations. Quarantine new plants before adding them to your collection. Tip 8. How to revive a heat-stressed plant. Already have a heat-stressed plant? Don't give up yet. Trim away crispy, dead leaves. Soak the whole pot in room temp water, let it rehydrate fully. Move to bright, indirect light. Mist daily, and skip fertilizer for now. If new growth appears, congrats, you've rescued your green buddy. Heat stress doesn't have to spell doom for your houseplants. With a few small changes, your plants can thrive all summer long. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more plant care tips every week. Have questions or stories of plant survival? Drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep it green, keep it growing,